PayPal. PayPal is a payment method, a worldwide payment method in which everyone can have it and then make good use of it. If you are a person who is interested in making money online and receiving them without any difficulty. And the question is, how do you get a PayPal account as a Ghanaian? This is simple, but a strategy that we use because of the restrictions the country have. PayPal has not been allowed or has not been reached us in Ghana yet, so that everyone can have it without any difficulties. So we can have a PayPal in Ghana as a Ghanaian through these strategies that I'm to show you. So please make sure you stay up to the end of the video so that you will get everything that I'm to show you on how to create a PayPal account in Ghana, or how to create a PayPal account in Ghana. So let us start the video. Okay, now we are on home page of PayPal. So now what you need to do next is to tap on menu, and then come down. You see sign up there, then you tap on sign up. Wait for it to come, then it will bring you to this page for you to start the PayPal account create. So here you have to select business account rather than personal account. So you have to tap on business account, and why we are tapping on business account is that when you tap on the personal account, in the process they may require you to enter your personal details, and when you have to enter the personal details, unless you are in the country that PayPal is allowed, and here in Ghana PayPal is not yet allowed to create it as the country. Like, you are here in Ghana and you just want to go through the personal account, so you have to move to business account. Okay guys, we are in the next page where they ask us to enter our email address. So here we are entering our Gmail address. So let's enter our Gmail. So you enter your Gmail address. So I'm entering my Gmail address. Tap on continue. So now they ask you to enter your password, the password that you want to use for your PayPal account. Is very important. So I'll finish entering my password. I'll tap on continue. So they will bring you to the next page for you to enter your either first name and then last name. So I'll enter Mohammed, any name that you want to use for your PayPal account, and then legal business name. For here you can choose anything there. So you can write anything there. You can write your nickname as a business name, so it doesn't matter whether you have business or not. So just write Enterprise. That's it. So here the phone number, you have to tap on there. On the +266 here and go for Ghana. or there if you want go, you will see Ghana. But if you follow the personal account, if you go when you reach here, you will see Ghana there. So as you can see, Ghana over here. So you select Ghana and then enter your phone number. Like this, and then enter your address line. You can enter your house number if you wish. So the second line 2 is optional. If you want, you can leave that one. So you go to city, town, village. So you select maybe your city, or city is Accra. Your town, maybe you are staying at Tamale or anything, you can put anything there. So your region, your state or region, so maybe enter northern region. I'm a northerner, so enter northern, and then postal code you enter 00233. So after this, the primary currency, you just have to leave the USA dollar, because normally most online businesses, they deal with USA dollar. So you tap on by agreeing to their terms and conditions, and tap on agree and continue. So after finishing this page and that page, this is the next page. So you have to select your business type. You can select anything there, like sole proprietorship, sole proprietor. So when you come down to product, you can say trading. Select anything that you type there, they will list up the products or the things under it, so that you select from. So I select towing services. Then the website is optional. If you have website, you can put the website there. So you have to continue. So you go there and select Ghana again. And tap on continue. So it will bring you to this page. Here you have to select your date of birth. So the first one is the day. Maybe I tap on and then go to the month, maybe February, and then the year. Let me say 1995. And then you leave the nationality, you leave the Lesotho. That was the reason, the abbreviation form that will ask you. So our nationality is Lesotho. Or if you want, you can leave the Lesotho, or you just go there and then change the Lesotho to Ghana. Because they brought out the Lesotho is that the Lesotho we first use it in the beginning of the PayPal creating. So you have to go for Ghana. That was the abbreviation that we abbreviated LS. So that was the abbreviation. So the document identity, you just choose your document identity. You can put, so here you can select national ID or passport or driver license, anything that you have. So you select it and put the number there. So my national ID number, so I've entered my national ID there. Then go to submit. and now we can have our PayPal created. So guys, this is how you can have your PayPal account without any strategy. You can have it easily as this by going through these steps, and you can have your PayPal account in Ghana. So now our balance is $00. So you see, so with this you can go further and edit your profile again. So you go to account settings. If you want to do further edition, you can add your bank account to this, so that anytime that you receive money from PayPal, then you transfer it to your bank. This is the only strategy which is very simple and easy, because other strategies you have to go to some websites, buy a USA contact, and then go through the personal account and create it for them, thinking that maybe you are a USA nationality, not knowing you are in Ghana. So you have to go spend money over websites just to buy the USA number and come for this simple PayPal account. So here you have no amount to pay to any website. You just use this strategy and have your PayPal created. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel so as to have anything that I've released to this channel. Thank you. Have a good day.